So good morning to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Alok Industries. So mainly we'll focus on the technicals of the company and we'll try to find out the next possible levels. So previously when we discussed about Alok Industries, we discussed that 33 as well as 30 rupees level will be very important because at that particular region buying will be seen because that is a good support for the company. So today you can see the stock has reached the 30 rupees level and also we can see a good amount of buying is seen. So we'll do complete analysis. We'll also do the volume analysis which also shows that operator activity is reducing. So stay updated. So watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So when we see the basic overview of Alok Industries, you can see current market cap is almost around 6,600 crores, and if you see industry PE is around 5.87, and if you see current PE is around 5.43. So we can say almost at flat valuations the company is present, and if we see deliverable quantity is almost 54.09. So what is interesting here? So deliverable quantities is increasing as compared to the previous sessions. So even you should do that particular analysis daily after the market closes. You need to check how much deliverable quantity is present and how much traded quantity is also present. So because you will try to find out whether the traded quantity is more or deliverable quantity is more. So whenever deliverable quantity is more, it implies that holding is taking place. Whenever traded quantity is more, it implies operator activity is present. Okay, you need to remember these 2 points. So when we compare the deliverable quantities as compared to the monthly, 6 months and weekly averages, so clearly you can see on monthly average traded quantity was huge, and if you compare with weekly average, slight decrease was there. On September 1st you can see a complete decrease in operator activity is present and deliverable quantity is increasing. So we also know that the Q1 results of Alok Industries are also on its way and which are also turning out to be positive. So that's why even the stock without any further downfall, it has remained in consolidation phase. You need to understand that. So whenever any company is reporting any negative results, then definitely even the stock will continuously show downfall. But this particular stock, you can see it has been respecting the levels and it has remained in consolidation phase. So whenever any stock is in consolidation and with increasing deliverable quantity, then you need to understand what will happen in the next session. So definitely further movement will definitely happen, but you need to average, or if you're holding at high levels, you need to average at each and every fall, and if you want to add, then definitely you need to focus on the levels which we are going to discuss. Okay. So when we see indicators, we can see stock is technically bullish. Okay, so even though it's consolidating, the buying, everything is being in full, we can say in full swing itself. So when we discuss about Alok, when we see in previous sessions, either Alok used to trade in either upper circuits or lower circuit, but nowadays you can see the stock is trading normally with a good amount of buying. Everything, deliverable quantity, everything is in a good manner, so which is also a positive indication for the company. And if you see RSI as well as money flow index, so both of them are approaching oversold region. So generally 30 below is called oversold region and 70 above is called overbought region. So whenever any stock approaches oversold region, a possible reversal will also happen. So in every ways we can see the stock is technically very bullish, but you need to even enter at good levels with small quantities. So never ever invest heavy quantities, so we cannot decide anything. So anything may happen, but what we should do, we should invest with small quantities so that profit also will be good. And you can see MACD, even though it is bearish, and definitely it will also be turning out to be positive in next sessions. So now we'll go to the technical charts and we'll try to find out the supports as well as resistances. So we are back onto the technical chart. So currently this is the 1 day chart of Alok Industries. So clearly we have discussed about this particular level in our previous videos as well. So people have not watched that, they can definitely watch it. So you can see a small green color candle is also being initiated at that particular support. And if we do the back testing also, whenever it has touched that particular level, there was the circuit was also open and buying was seen. And same fashion, when you see money flow index also, it is touching the oversold region. So whenever any stock touches, you can see again reversal happens. That is normal based on volume analysis. Okay, so currently you can take 30 rupees as a very good support, and you can add at that particular level in small quantities till you reach the 33-35 rupees level. So once that particular region, if it gives a breakout, then definitely we will see good movement in the stock. Also the Q1 results which will be declared will also accelerate the motion. Okay, so in the same way, in the 1 week chart also, you can see the stock is taking support in this particular region, and it has been respecting that. Even in previous, if you do the back testing also, when it has touched that particular level, retracement was seen. So you need to have patience if you're invested in this, but only one thing is that you should not put heavy quantity and you should not panic. So if you're panicking and if you're thinking that stock again will correct, then you will lose the profit. Definitely you should hold, since technically we are seeing a good momentum, because money flow index, everything is showing in oversold region, deliverable quantities are increasing. So what else you want? So you need to have patience and invest at the levels which we have discussed. Okay, so if anything is there, I'm updating in Telegram as well, so do join the Telegram to not miss any instant updates. So this is all about Alok Industries. So once the quarter results are also declared, I will update that in Telegram, and also I will make a separate video. Okay, so until then, take care, bye bye.